Number 2.2, the house builder. This is the story of Mason who worked from a building contractor. The Mason always tried to do his work to perfection. As a zone, as a house has been designed by the architect and detailed financed by the engineer. The contractor would send from the Mason and leave the responsibility of building the house to him. The Mason would then, without wasting any time start his work. He would take great interest in his work of building and do it with full dedication. He made sure that the use the best contractor material of high quality. The measurement of the walls, doorways, arches, etc. were perfect and have given an excellent and appealing finish to whatever he built. The owners of the new houses built would be more than satisfied with the construction